Ouch! Ah!
I left my coat on the bollard. Yeah.
We're at Court Farm. Ellie, you excited? Say hi, Can-Fan.
Hi, Can-Fan.
And Nikki and Oscar here.
Can I say more stuff?
Alright, be quick.
We're at Court Farm and we're going to play this. But I don't want to play this.
You going up there? You going up the front?
What?
Is the front portal? Starboard or something else? Oh, look at you, Ellie. You're a pirate. Say, it's a pirate's life for me.
Look.
Hey, yo. Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm up here.
Yes, you are. Look how happy he is. Yes.
The pirate on the other side of there
Yeah.
told me all the pirate things I need to do to be a pirate.
What did they say?
No, only one person.
Oh, what did the person say?
She said, put it there, and then down the step, hopefully. Then
Woo!
I did all the pirate things I needed to do.
That's great.
That was hard.
Was it?
Yeah. And now go down here.
What you up to? Hi. Are you trying to stand up?
Just finding the layout of the...
Are you going to go down the slide, Ellie? Ellie?
Mommy?
Are you coming down? I'm at the slide. Ellie? Oh, okay, darling. I see you. Ready?
Mommy, can you come here?
I'm here.
Mommy, I see them.
Yeah, they're everywhere, aren't they?
Yeah, everywhere, Mama. I don't miss them when I'm not here.
Alex is pacing. We're crossing the bridge. Oh, it's a rickety bridge. Thank you. I see you, Nikki. Hello. Hey. Well, look, he's sitting up by himself.
He's not jumping off the sea.
Hello.
He's not jumping off the sea. He's staying on.
Yeah.
And he's sitting all by himself. We're coming the train and have a ride. Oh, Otto's coming in now.
He's poking his head in the window. Oh, hi!
Trip during the week, we've had to go and buy a spare cow to keep the show on the road. She's only very recently calved for the first time, so she's not yet 3 years old. She's a cross between a brown Swiss and probably a black and white Friesian. We're not really sure because we bought her from
Just
market.
an Elliot.
Never
Look at
quite
Mummy.
know what to
Elliot.
buy. I'm just going to lift her tail up, just to give her something to think about. So instead of thinking what's going on down there, she's thinking what's that bloke doing in my tail. And if you could let me know if she's about to do another two, so I can get out of the way. You will let me know, won't you?
You'll let him know.
She seems like a nice quiet cow, but obviously she's only just arrived on this farm and never been milked before.
Oh, he hit me! Kissing cows.
Can we go next door?
Ellie, look. Ellie, the cows are kissing. Look. All right, Ellie. Where are the lambs? Sun cream is on. We've just seen the cows get fed. Did you like having the cows get fed, Ellie? Now it's lamb feeding time. Look at them. They've got tiny little horns on their heads. Oh, Ellie, look at them like that. Have you seen the tiny little horns? Look, Ellie. Can you see the sheep? They're lambs, baby sheep.
Baby goats. They're not very old, are they?
Mind your fingers, darling.
I don't get in their way.
I felt softly on. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Soft.
They're baby ones. They're not very old, are they? There's little lambs over there.
Ellie. Look how
More around there as well.
Did you get scared? Bear, look, he's saying hello to you.
Right then, boys and girls, this is going to take a minute or two to arrange, but if I have any volunteers that want to help me,
Put your hand up, Ellie.
what we'll do, I'm going to get you, I'm going to put you in the right place, and we'll go from there. Right.
Hello. Ellie.
Holly, pass that one that way round. Can you pass your
This is strong.
Ellie, take it. Take it.
Strong. That one's strong.
Did you feed the lamb? Yeah.
The milk was flat everywhere. My stomach.
Oh my god.
Okay, so pass it on, pass it on, pass it on, pass it on. Well done. Keep going.
Sorry.
By the way,
Sit down with them. Do you want to sit down? Didn't get any then.
Mummy's come, but if you do, he won't.
You're going to touch her one more time. You've got to say hello.
I think we should ask him.
Look at that tiny little lamb. It's so small. Come on then, Ellie. That's it. Oh! What?
I'm coming out with all the puns now.
All the puns? What puns are you coming out with?
Kidnap. Got the,
Kidnap the goats. You got to be kidding me. Oh. You having fun, Ellie?
I think that's
Digger, digger, digger. Right, should we go have some lunch? Wild chicken! Chicken! No, not video. Oh my god! Oh my god, the chicken's going to explode! Not over there, there's chickens over there. There's more exploding chickens. What? There's chickens everywhere. I meant, do you want to go on these? Oh my god! That chicken actually wants to kill me. I'm not. It was making angry noises at me a minute ago. How you doing, Ellie? Are you sure you want to do that, Nikki? Are you a chicken?
Didn't see a thing. Do the chicken dance.
It's lunchtime. He's probably getting hungry. On a tractor ride.
Yeah, we can sit there. Thank you, that's lovely.
That'd be nice. Ellie?
We're not just a car journey. No, I don't want video.
Look, Ellie, sheep.
Take this with Toby down. Toby, look at that.
What's happened to the sheep made? Yeah, sheep goes really gaga.
They're called lambs, darling.
Wow, I'm zoomed in. Alex is like, hold my hand.
What else did we get?
Milk.
No, darling.
There you go.
I was thinking about meat.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, we don't eat bread lamb.
Bit of mint sauce.
I love lamb. Bumpy bumpy. We're getting bumpy bumped. But yeah, we get Elliot, where's the eggs? I know. Yeah, but that's okay. Come on then. We'll go and have a little play with him. Just for a minute.
You okay, Ellie? There you go. There you go. That's stopped. Okay. Do you want to get up? That's it. Okay, can you get up?
Can you come on?
Careful, there are little careful. You do need to be careful.
It's together.
That was really gentle. Harry, not Alright, you want to pay for the hospital? Harry, there's a baby on there. Stay down, lion! Stay down, lion!
Come up this side, darling. Bobby, wait.
Stay down! Stay down! Stay down!
Harry, big to be back.
Harry, get off. You're not stopping.
Oh dear.
This one's quite slanty as well, though.
Yes!
Bobby, Bobby,
Play now.
Bobby.
That's
Do you want to go to the other one? Then you won't bang into the
Now, so come on, how do you get down? I can't let you down. Yeah, but I need to do your shoes, darling. I need to be with you and I need to go.
Alex.
You're trying to follow. Have you been down that slide?
Yeah.
That little girl when I fall down, she landed on my hand.
Oh, is your hand okay?
What? She landed on that side of hand.
Oh, come here, let me kiss it better.
Okay.
Oh, electric static. Oh dear. Oh dear. You've got to squeeze it down. My hands are all wet now.
Oh,
Looking for a way.
Give it to him then. Oh. Yeah. What are they? Ellie, put the sweeper down.
Just two guys in there.
Oh.
Where do you go?
Oh.
I want one of them. Is it his Diggles?
He's so cute.
He's with a friend.
I found bunnies. An owl. It really does look just like Hedwig. Oh my god. What's it doing? It wants to eat Alex. That's a war cry if I ever heard one. Did you see Horsey, Ellie?
Nearly biting me. Nearly biting my hand.
So pretty.
I'm kidnapping Ellie.
Don't kidnap Ellie. Look, the horsey's coming back, Ellie.
He's eating mummy instead.
Bye, horsey.
The new forest pony, apparently.
How much is your hair?
Can you throw him another one?
No, she's got a fur bird.
That's it. Look up here, look, there's more there, look. Yeah, birdie birds. There we go. I told you we'd eat that up, didn't I? Look at that. They're all going to come now.
Yana.
Oh, there's another one now.
Kieran.
Little big one.
That's the daddy one.
Yeah.
And those are the mummy ones.